A very good morning to everyone. Today in this class, we are going to learn the next part of the chapter Age of Exploration. So, as we have learned already, we are going to learn about the four explorers, European explorers, Bartholomew Dias, Ferdinand Magellan, Christopher Columbus, Vasco da Gama. So from these four, we have learned about Bartholomew Dias and Ferdinand Magellan. So the remaining part of the Ferdinand Magellan and Christopher Columbus along with Vasco da Gama, about these explorers we are going to learn in this class. So as we have learned about the Ferdinand Magellan, who was born from the Portugal and an explorer and navigator who went for the circumnavigation along with his 5 ship and his crew members, right? So this is the ship which Magellan have traveled for the circumnavigation. So what is meant by circumnavigation means it is the sail around the world. So Magellan reached the Philippines. Okay, so where he was killed in the battle with the natives. So his native people itself killed him. Okay, so his dispute, who is called as Juan Sebastian Elcano. So Juan Sebastian Elcano returned to Spain with what he returned means with huge quantities of cloves. It is one of the spice, right? So with huge quantities of clove, he returned to his native place, and he was the first successful circumnavigation trip which Magellan went. Right, only he proved that the earth was round in shape, and his travel have made a clear view of land and water, the distribution of land and water on the earth's surface. The next we are going to learn about Christopher Columbus. So he was Italian navigator. Christopher Columbus was Italian navigator. His period was 1451 CE to 1506 CE. Okay, so even he want to find out the new routes to Asia. So Christopher Columbus want to find out the new route to Asia, and in the year 1492 CE, with the help of King Ferdinand II and Queen Isabella I of Spain. Okay, Columbus set sailing with his 3 ships. So Columbus took his 3 ships through the westward, okay, across the Atlantic Ocean to reach the Asia. So Christopher Columbus, his period was 1451 CE to 1506 CE. He was the Italian navigator. He wanted to find the new route to Asia. So in 1492, with the help of King Ferdinand Magellan II and Queen Elizabeth I of Spain, he went with 3 ships through the westward across the Atlantic Ocean to reach the Asia, right? So when Columbus was traveling, he went across, and after 3 weeks he saw an island, okay, some islands, and assumed that it may be the outlying islands of Asia. So which island means that is Caribbean island. Okay, now it is called as Caribbean island, that only Columbus have spotted. So after that, Columbus have also visited Cuba, Haiti and many other small islands. Okay, he also explored the islands of the Caribbean Sea, which is in the coast of the Central Americas. So Columbus usually, we know very well that Columbus have discovered America, right? So he discovered the Central America. He also seen the northern coast of South America. So like these places he have went across and he discovered. So Christopher Columbus failed to discover new sea route to Asia. He discovered these places, but he failed to find out the new sea route, which was his goal, to Asia. However, he was long been credited for discovering the new worlds of Americas. So this is the Christopher Columbus. The next person we are going to learn about is Vasco da Gama. So Vasco da Gama is a famous Portuguese explorer and also the navigator. Navigator means who is planning the direction of the ship. Right. So Vasco da Gama's period was 1460 CE to 1524 CE. Right. So as Bartholomew Christopher Columbus was thinking to find out the new sea route to Asia, Vasco da Gama beated everyone's journey, and he was the first person to sail directly from Europe to India, and he only discovered the new sea route to India in 1498 CE via the Cape of Good Hope. Right, he reached Calicut. Okay, now it is called as Kozhikode, which is Malabar coast, mean the Kerala side. See, Malabar means Kerala, right? Kerala side. And Vasco da Gama successfully went the journey through the western side, right, which was very much helpful to the other Europeans without using the dangerous caravan routes from the middle of the East and Central Asia. Right, Vasco da Gama made 2 more expeditions to India in 1502 CE and 1524 CE. So then Vasco da Gama died in Cochin, which is now called as Kochi, in the Christmas evening. So here is the explorations, the map which is showing the exploration of these 4 sailors, the Portugal explorers, which is Bartholomew Dias, Christopher Columbus, Vasco da Gama, Ferdinand Magellan. So here we can see they are traveling around the world. So now let's mark the book back exercise of this chapter. First one, name the following. The Moluccas or Maluku Island were earlier known as Spice Island. The cape which was earlier known as Cape of Storm is the Cape of Good Hope. The strait below South America discovered by Magellan later came to be known as Strait of Magellan. The sailor who is credited with the discovery of the New World Americas was Christopher Columbus. The place where Vasco da Gama reached in India is Calicut. The next one is choose the correct answer. Magellan set out to sail around the world is 1519 CE. The first European to sail around the southern tip of Africa is Bartholomew Dias. The first navigator to open Americas is Christopher Columbus. In the year 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut. Portuguese explorer who died in Cochin was Vasco da Gama. So kindly mark these answers in your book bag. Kindly revise through the topics we have seen, and also kindly go through the map which shows the exploration of these 4 Portuguese sailors. Thank you, kids.